Hello, I'm Max and I'm here to help you learn coding. Sadly, Boss is not going to be in this video, so I'll be here instead.
Are you happy she's not here?
Okay, first of all, what are you doing here? And second of all, no, of course I'm not happy.
Answer the question. I'm here to help too. And good.
Are you sure?
Yes! Anyways, let's get started. Oh, I just need to open up. Right, let's make that big.
Hey, what are you doing? I'm supposed to be helping out more. You're just going to be my, well, assistant.
Max, stop. Anyways, let me introduce myself. I'm Leah, and I'm here to help. Everyone knows the basic HTML coding, right? I think Boss has made it in one of her videos. I'm not sure which one though.
Yes, of course she's made it in one of her videos.
Max, let me speak. Anyways, so she told us to do some video working of making our own. But I have to show you a few tips first. Even though I can't talk that much in this because basically Max was right. She's the main guy.
Told ya.
Yeah, but I'm also supposed to speak too.
Really?
Of course I am. Why did you ask me to help then?
Maybe to get the stuff I want. Go get me a juice.
Sorry about that, guys. Anyways, basically, in basic HTML coding, we are going to use glitch.com. Really? If you want, you can just search it up on Google, simply like that, and make sure you log in. This is already. Oh, Max, did you mess with the communicating system again?
Of course I didn't. Try refreshing the page.
That's what it said, but it might not work. Oh, never mind. Boss has already went into her own account. So basically, I think you'd have to log in too.
Yes, of course you'd have to like you can't just log into my account.
It's not your account, Max.
Stop saying my name whenever you talk to me.
Okay, fine. Oh, sorry. Got a little daydream. Anyways, to make your own project, you're going to have to press new project and glitch hello website. Then you can easily do your code. Mine's called Smiling Real Twister. I always smile, but when I'm sad, I guess I don't. Anyways, so in this basic HTML coding, you have many things to do. You can make your own app.
Yeah.
What is it, Max?
Can you go get me the laptop? I need to speak to you.
If you want, come over here.
No, just give it to me.
Okay, I'm really sorry about that, but I'm just gonna ignore him and I think he heard that. So he's gonna stop talking and I'll stop coding. Anyways, I'm going to do all of the code and make it all disappear. As she said, just Command C it. And then, well, not Command C, because then you would copy it. So just like select it. Oh,
Seriously, Mia, I asked you to get the computer. I was eating a snack.
if you want to have a go, I'm tired of it. Well, not tired of it. It's just, seriously, I'm tired of you speaking over me. Okay, guys, I think Max is going to take over. Come on, Max.
Alright, guys. So basic HTML coding. Anyways, in this you have many anything to do and make apps and stuff.
Hey, that was my part in the script.
Hey, you just gave it away. Anyways, but this you would have to do the pointy bracket HTML and another pointy bracket, and then it would come up like that. And then you got to put a pointy bracket P, then another pointy bracket. Then of course you could do your like lines and stuff. Okay, let's see what we can do. Okay, and you can also do many other things if you link it to the script, not the script, the style.css.
Uh, Max, I think you should start going and do the work because you weren't even speaking for a while. Let me do it.
No.
Yes, now shoot, now. Or I'll call boss and say you're not doing something that you're supposed to be doing.
Alright, fine.
Alright, that's better. Ah! Oh my god. You know what? I think I'm gonna change that to Max and change this to Leah. To Max. Anyway, I'm supposed to show you the coding. So, to link it, you'll have to go at the top. Well, here's actually how to do it. So, I'm gonna open glitch.com and open the project. That takes a long time. Okay, so if you do this code, which I'm gonna do, just copy paste it down and then boom. If you go to style.css, you can literally do your own color. Alright, and now let's pick it all away. Alright. I'm going to do, well, let's see what she has done on CSS. Okay, and I have to do H1 first, then only can I do it. So let's do H1 at the top. Alright. And then I have to go over here and do H1 and do that really like braces. That's what they're called, yeah. And they're right by the P. And I have to do this one. Do that. Go over here and check it out. It's a fun family. Okay. So there's a fun family for H1. Just write down font family and then 3 colons. Then write down the color you want it to be. You'll have to have it in, oh, not the font family, the color. Oops. The font family is what the font is. No, it's not, the color isn't spelled the exact way, it's spelled the American way. So it would be COLOR. And then you can just do it in brackets, not brackets, these. I think they're called brackets. Never mind. Now I want the color to be hot pink. Let's see if it works out. We don't need these, do we? We need semicolons.
This is why I should have done it. You're making so many mistakes.
Max, can you get out of the room?
No, Leah.
Get out.
Fine.
Great. Okay, now although I think I'm gonna take all this away peacefully, then just add this at the end, and I hope it looks. That's really weird. Oh, yes, I got it wrong again. I guess he was kind, right? And then I have to add this one like that. Check it. And add at the end like this. And boom. For some reason it isn't working out. Oh, I know. When you do this, make sure you don't do P. Yeah, that would work out. So let's do H1. Hello, I'm Leah, and I'm the best. Okay, so that's basically glitch.com. But let's show you something a bit more exciting, shall we? Anyways, over here, I'm going to. Well, actually, I'm going to change up boss's computer so she'll love it. Alright, I know what our favorite color is. It's blue and green. So I'm going to find the perfect shade of blue and green. So let's go on to the background and let's just check the geometric shapes. And let's see the ones that have green and blue. That one's nice. And then let's go to the color and theme and change it to this kind of one. No, that's a bit bright. Yeah, she looks pretty much like this one, but it hasn't really got the shade of blue, so I think she'd like blue. So let's add the blue. And the shortcut is going to be my shortcut, or it would be better if we didn't share shortcuts. Okay, wow, okay, I've done a whole new makeover. Now let's go on to our Gmail. Oh, maybe I shouldn't do that. Max, come here. Max, come on. I'm calling you for help.
Finally. Get off the seat,
No.
or I'll go.
Alright, fine.
Thank you. Okay, so what do you need help with?
I need help with designing her computer.
Are you sure she'd like that?
Of course she would. Look, I think we're fighting more than doing the work we're supposed to be doing. She might fire us.
I don't think she will. She's the smartest. Anyways, so I'm going to design this by. Well, I think it's designed enough. Anyways, I think we'll need to say bye. I need to go to Google. Go on to the slides. This actually happened. We managed to find photos. Well, we managed to make it a cartoonish. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this. So,
Bye.
move. Bye. Ha. How do I stop? Bye. And the best. Remember that. Don't like for okay?
Hey, don't listen to him. Well, let's just stop this video and have a good evening. Move, and bye bye bye.